Hi, it's Damon Clark and welcome to PI Hacks. So if you've ever facilitated or been in a long session on behavioral science, you know the moment. Energy drops, eyes glaze over, cognitive overload sets in. And that's exactly why you need a really good energizer. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite predictive index energizers, and it's simple, it's engaging, and it reinforces learning. And it works brilliantly when you're deep into the design quadrants or the reference profile conversations. This is how it works. You basically use music. The facilitator plays short clips of songs, and after each clip, the group has to guess which predictive index category the music represents. So you can run it in a few ways. Option one is using design quadrants. So that's teamwork and employee experience, innovation and agility, process and precision, and results and discipline. So there are 4 quadrants. After each song, and I'm going to play them in a second in the background, the group debates which quadrants the energy feel of the music aligns with. Is it bold, dry, and intense? That sounds like results and discipline. Is it creative, unconventional, maybe a little chaotic? That feels like innovation and agility. Is it steady, rational, collaborative? That leans towards teamwork and employee experience. And last of all, if it's structured, technical, layered, and precise, that's going to sound like process and precision. Option 2 is using the reference profile. So that's analytical, persistent, stabilizing, and social. So again, if the music is intense, fast-paced, competitive, that might represent persistent. If it's upbeat, expressive, high interactive energy, that's going to sound like social. Calm, predictable, steady, that's going to be stabilizing. And if it's complex, technical, layered, and thoughtful, that's going to align more with analytical. So obviously, if you do the first 3 music, they're going to guess the last one. So what I usually do is I ask them to guess a music soundtrack, which is going to represent results and discipline. So I kind of flip it on its head at the end. But a quick disclaimer, these 4 songs I traditionally use, they do match the quadrants fantastically, but they are slightly generational. Let's just say someone who recognizes the first song or any song in the first few seconds, they may also remember Life Before Wi-Fi, okay? So occasionally we get more seasoned participants and they have a bit more of a competitive advantage. And if anyone has any upgrade suggestions, perhaps something from Bad Bunny or Taylor Swift, I'm absolutely open to modernizing this playlist, so let me know. Okay, so here's the key. So the power of this exercise isn't whether people guess correctly, it's the discussion. People start articulating behavioral science in practical language. That one sounds like it's deadline driven. This song is clearly relationship focused. This one is precise and methodical. Music makes this kind of conversations more intuitive. It breaks up the heavy content, it gets people laughing, and it reinforces the design framework of the reference profiles in a way that sticks. If you'd like for ready-to-use music files and facilitation instructions, visit the link in the description. I've detailed more information in the blog, and you can download those files. Give it a go. Let me know how it goes. And if you've got any suggestions on how to improve that playlist, please do let me know. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff, because it helps us build more of this content to help spread the word of better work, better world. Thanks a lot.